Welcome to Chicmas day 24. Merry Christmas Eve. It's what time is it? It's about 6 p.m. and everybody is almost here. We're gonna have dinner. We are also gonna open presents tonight, and yeah, Merry Christmas Eve. There's Ina. She is like hunting down her name in the sea of gifts over here, right?
Yeah, most of the ones from Angel are for Angela.
It's the sea of presents, which are all mostly for the kids. Pre-dinner egg roll. Ooh! Oh wait, my shirt. Oh wait.
It's baby Mocha. Mocha, look at the camera.
Let's go outside, the snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me, with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love. Yeah, all the Christmas songs that we love. I don't need any presents as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Making plans for what we're gonna do. I feel so blessed that I can be with you. 'Cause God knows that I've been longing for you. I just wanna hold you close. You know the stars are shining just for you. Let's take a walk and we can follow the moonlight till we reach a place we can stay. Maybe kiss a bit and dream away.
You know what time it is. It is tea
Time.
Tea time. Except today it's just Ina. Ivan, if you can hear him, he's
playing Fortnite and screaming.
yeah, so just don't mind him. Let's start with our tea advent calendar. Oh, Merry Christmas, by the way. Happy holidays. Okay, go ahead, Ina.
We have today, on the 24th, is gingerbread treat. Organic black tea with cinnamon, ginger, apple, and cardamom.
Cardamom.
Chocolate truffles.
All right.
Bonbons a little bit, but not quite.
The Trader Joe's Advent of the Cocktail Hour chocolate truffle. And come on, let's get a pink chocolate today.
It fell off.
What?
Oh my gosh, again? Serious?
Ina's nails are popping off today.
This one off.
Dang,
Put a
really?
TW in it for the blood.
We have a milk chocolate.
The popcorn. My favorite jokes. So, well, probably not favorite. My corny jokes.
They're more corny, but
So the joke of the day, what did the popcorn say to the Jack in the Box?
what?
Pop goes the weasel. So this one is orange chocolate popcorn.
Ooh, I think you're gonna like this one. Do you like Fruit Loops? Cereal with all different colors?
Oh no, I thought you were talking about like the fruit by the foot.
No. I'm gonna choose comment of the day. Do you hear Ivan?
So this one is by Mommy Tips by Cole.
Hey, Cole.
This is a process. Wait. Wow, that was a process to travel there. And yay for negative results. Ina is so big now. Time flew. Enjoy your time with the family. Merry Christmas, guys. Thank you.
Thank you, Cole.
That's why I had to get water.
First say that I overate for Christmas dinner.
Yep, it was too good. Even though I only had plain pasta. I'm a picky eater. I didn't know that. I forgot there was turkey.
Claudia 99. Hey, Claudia. Hey, cuz. Merry Christmas, cousin. It was so nice to see you share your family Christmas moment with Darren via video chat in the vlog. It was so sweet. I almost cried. Enjoy your family time. Thank you, Claudia, for commenting, and we miss you, and hopefully we'll get to see you in 2021. I hope you enjoyed hanging out with us for Chicmas Day 24. One day away tomorrow.
Christmas.
We're gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. If you enjoyed today's vlog and enjoyed hanging out with us, make sure you give this a what?
Like and subscribe if you're new to the Chicky crew.
Yes, to be a part of the Chicky crew. Thank you, Chickies, so much for watching. Stay safe and healthy. Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and we will see you tomorrow for Chicmas Day 25. Mwah.